Hello, here's a tip if you have a self-cleaning condenser and there seems to be some sort of malfunction that the clothes inside the machine don't get dry or they end up wet even though you have run the program. So first of all, make sure that the filters are clean. Like these ones, both filters needs to be clean, and these go inside the machine. And also inside the machine, this area can collect dust, so that should be also clean. There can be lots of dust inside this area, like here for example. I try to put the camera inside this hole, because also this side of the wall, the air flows through the wall and it should be clean also. So this area collects dust also, and the air needs to go through these small holes. One more reason for the malfunction could be that the moisture sensor inside the dryer, which are located here, two metallic bars, have a layer of dirt over them. So they need to be cleaned with wipe. Hopefully this tip was useful. Thanks for watching and bye.